Ain't got no paper towels, bitch. Where the paper towels at? I don't see no paper towels. This motherfucker better work. Oh, yeah, okay. Some working this bitch. Damn, Greyhound, fix y'all shit. Water fountain. I get some water. Damn, that shit ain't working. Maybe put both on the same time. That shit don't work. Oh, fix y'all shit. This shit is trash. That's crazy. Makes no sense. What's up, bro? Waiting for the bus. Waiting for the bus. Look at her. She funny as fuck. She funny. She cussed me out the other day. Ooh, that motherfucker on head, bitch. Ooh, pick that up. That's some good luck in this bitch. She look like the grandma. What's her name? What's this? You look like the grandma. You look like the grandma on Twitty Bird. The grandma on Twitty Bird. So you look like the grandma on Twitty Bird.
Oh.
You know Twitty Bird?
I am grandma.
No, do you know the Twitty Bird, the little bird, the yellow bird? It used to be the grandma who got the yellow bird, the Twitty Bird.
Oh.
You look like her. I'm trying to pull it up.
Thank you. I love you.